So, General Chief of Defence Staff, General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika, and 11 other people which were on board an Indian Air Force helicopter died in a crash near Kunur in Tamil Nadu on Wednesday. The Indian Air Force chopper in which all of these personnel were carrying, uh, they were visiting to Wellington, Nilgiri Hills to address the faculty and student officers of the staff cost. And lots of things are going on. Shortly after the MI series chopper took off from the army base in Solor, the incident happened just before the landing, and the landing was just supposed to be done after the 10 minutes. The Mi-17 V5 helicopter with CDS General Bipin Rawat on board, which met with the accident near Konur. An inquiry in this regard has been ordered to ascertain the cause of the incident, and lots of theories are going on what could be the reason. Anyway, people are just talking about what are the cause, what could have been the theory, what could be the reason, and they are trying to ascertain that how is such a important personality VVIP helicopter could met with an accident. Let's talk about the Mi-17 V5 helicopter. All you need to know about this chopper is it is a Russia-made helicopter which is produced by Kazan Helicopters. It's very good helicopter. It was inducted into the Air Force on 17th of February 2012. It is a military transport variant in the Mi-817 family of helicopters. According to the company, this helicopter can achieve a maximum speed of 250 km per hour, which is quite high. Mi-17 V5 chopper are among the most technical advanced helicopter of the Mi-817 type. This is the most highly advanced kind of helicopter. The helicopter has a maximum takeoff weight around 13,000 kg. Can you believe it? It can transport either 36 armed soldiers internally, okay, and 4,500 kg of load on a sling. Sling, you can say that wo latka ke it can take off. And each Indian Mi-17 V5 has a complex navigation and electronic display, and it is designed to transport cargo inside the cabin and on an external sling. The Mi-17 V5 is one of the world's most advanced transport helicopter. It can also be used to deploy the troop as well, and arms, and to transport the arms as well, and to provide the fire support, and sometimes to convey the escort. So it's quite. And search and rescue operations also. In 2008, a company of Rostec State Corporation signed a contract for the delivery of 80 Mi-17 V5 to India, which was completed in 2011 and 2013. In 2012 and 13, 3 additional supplies had been signed to supply a total of 71 Mi-17 V5 for the needs of Air Force. Home Ministry and the Prime Ministry Office has confirmed it. Also, the said company has already delivered the final batch of Mi-17 V5 military transport helicopter to India in July 2018. You know, the helicopter is quite advanced. Also, the Indian Air Force inaugurated a repair and overhaul facility of 4 Mi-17 V5 helicopter in April 2019. So, India has the capability to repair and sort out some technical issues of this helicopter. In 2019, an Mi-17 V5 chopper carrying 6 Indian Air Force personnel was brought down by friendly fire from the Spider air defense missile system. And according to the last data, the Indian Air Force currently has over 200 of these helicopters in service. Survivability of Mi-17 V5 helicopter is quite good. The cockpit and the vital component of the helicopter are protected by armored plates. The aft machine gun position is also fitted with armored plates to protect the gunner. You know, it is fitted with the armed gunner. The self-sealed fuel tank, which is a sealed, are filled with foam polyurethane and are protected against explosions. The helicopter incorporates engine, exhaust, infrared suppressor, a flare dispenser, and a jammer. Mi-17V5 weapon system is armed with Sukhoi 5 missiles, 7 S-8 rockets, a 23 machine gun, PKT machine guns, and AKM submachine gun. Do you believe it? It features 8 firing posts for aiming the weapons. The onboard armament allows the crew to engage enemy personnel. And you won't believe the armed vehicles, land-based target, fortified fire posts, and other fixed and moving targets can also be targeted by this helicopter. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.